Hey everybody, welcome back to Nico Brothers. We're back here at the shop where we had our other camper, but great news, we actually bought 2 more campers. Let's go check out what we got. So we got ourselves this 2020 Coleman Lantern Edition that has bunk beds. This is the one I actually checked out in Florida and we were able to pick it up for a really good deal, I would say. But this one actually has a title, so it is actually salvage. It's not a certificate of destruction. So it's really interesting. Let's check it out and see why this one has a title and the other ones actually have a destruction title. And now we can actually put power to it, turn on the propane tanks, actually really go through it because now it's at our place. So we can make sure everything works underneath, all around, and see if it was a good deal, bad deal, and see what these salvage title campers are like. We were able to tow this thing back, no problem, no issues. All the lights were working, brakes were working. Honestly, pretty sweet. It's awesome. It has the power stability jacks on it. Some of them have them, some of them don't. I mean, Coleman's a really nice brand, I would say. This thing was actually able to plug in. The wire recoils inside if you want to plug in the 30 amp, so it's pretty sweet. If you see those 2 windows, it really just means bunk beds, and that's what we got. But yeah, outside looked great. I mean, they said water damage, but we checked it out, it looked great. So let's go ahead and put power, like I said, and make sure everything still works. Definitely love the new style for steps they have. Solid step, pretty sweet. So it's nice and compact in here, I would say. But let's go ahead, like I said, put power to it and get this thing going. I got no power at all right now. So yeah, let's put either jump box to it or hook up a truck. So got it hooked up. Let's see, battery is right here. Pretty good. All right, fresh water, nothing, black, nothing, gray, nothing. That's nice. Let's go ahead and slide room out. This is just was a jump box, 12 volts. Working out pretty good. Say going pretty smooth, nice. Oh yeah. Kind of what slide outs usually sound like. Hope I don't have anything in the back. Pretty deep, I would say. Wow, that thing keeps going and going. There it is. And look at all that space. Beautiful countertop, I would say, for 2020. Brand new. These U-dinettes are actually really nice. Like I said, that table goes down, becomes a bed. Beautiful interior. Bunk beds for the kids. Actually a double bunk. So you can put 2 kids there, 2 kids there. That's like 4 people already. You gotta check the gas because I don't think we have any propane tanks on there. So that's nice, that is working. But yeah, guys, I mean, check this thing out. Like I said before, beautiful. Did our research. I think we got ourselves a great deal. None of the fuses, these actually light up. So if there's a fault or something, the fuses would go bright and tell you, hey, there's no power or something's going on. Interesting. Oh yeah, light switch. Smells wonderful in here. Shower, bathtub. It's actually strange to see a bathtub in a camper, but it's really nice. I got the kiddos, let them in there for a second. So I guess this is more of a family camper for sure. Beautiful condition. I think we got a great deal on it. Still don't know why they gave this one a salvage and the other one a construction, certificate of destruction. Very strange. So this is the fireplace. I don't think it'll work because we need to be plugged into 30 amp instead of just the 12 volt battery. That makes sense. Wow, guys. Not much to it. Nice, clean, simple. Is there a light switch over here I can do? I'm not even sure where all the buttons are. But yeah, beautiful camper. I think we got a steal deal. Great camper, already clean. Look at this thing. Good to go. It's a win for sure. We could check out underneath, make sure nothing looks bad, but inside looks great. Just checking out all the cupboards. Look at that. If water got in there, I mean, you'd see swelling, you'd see marks, you would definitely see all the damage going on, but beautiful camper. This is definitely the time to buy campers right now. They're out of season. Nobody's really caring about them. Like I said, electric stabilizing jacks. It's pretty cool. Move one and they actually both go down. Wow, sweet. I've never had a Coleman before, so it's definitely the first time having this brand, and so far I am pleased. Looking good. Let's see if that goes all the way down. I do see a little rust right there on that pipe, that gas pipe, but I mean, it's probably not painted, just exposed to normal wear and tear, you know. And there it goes. Beautiful. A little dirty right here. Definitely needs to be cleaned up, but overall smells good. Said we need our propane tanks, put the jump box on there. Beautiful slide, happy it didn't hit nothing. Little transit van. Parts cars are pretty close, but nice. A little dirty after transporting for sure. Man, there are definitely some good deals out there, guys. And that is our 30 amp power supply right there. So it's pretty cool. The cord's actually right here and you just pull it out, and that way you don't have to go buy one and stuff like that. City water, gray water, flush tank, all of your connections. Good to go. Nice. So I would say solid camper for sure. I like the Coleman. You guys, if you're interested in it, we are actually gonna post these campers for sale on nicobrothers.com. Go ahead and check it out. I mean, we did the legwork. We went out there down to Florida, drive them up 600 miles. So you know, frame's not bent, you know, the wheels aren't locked up, trailer brakes are working. We took that risk upon ourselves, transporting it, going there, finding them. So if you're interested, check out nicobrothers.com. We will have them for sale. But let's go ahead and check out another one that we have. Also, this one is a certificate of destruction. So it's basically a bill of sale. You can't put a tag on it. It's so unfortunate. I'm reading some comments, people say yes, no, but let's check it out. All right. Next camper we got is this 2022 Momentum. Man, these things are high dollar, definitely in their own class by Grand Design. Man, for sure, awesome campers. Usually they're fifth wheels, but they do have some bumper pulls, and that's what we picked up right here. And this is a toy hauler as well. So that back gate actually opens up and you can put your four-wheelers and stuff. I haven't checked this one out and we're able to pick it up for a great price. We had some damage right here in this door, but we went ahead and just fixed it real quick. Just nice and easy. There it is. Little cabinet, you could probably just replace it or clean it up. No big deal. But surprisingly, it doesn't have power jacks. Looks like you just gotta do the regular manual labor. That's fine. Got some outlets right there. Regular little step. It's interesting. Bunch of little compartments. I wonder what this one's for. Probably TV or something. That is on there. Nice big old awning out there. Typical speakers. It's a pretty cool camper for sure. It's got an interesting little side slide out as well for the main bedroom. The master bedroom that comes out right there. Pretty cool. A little tub station right there. Hookups. Filter, water. It's your heater. Dual axle, like the rims on it. So yeah, G-Class. Little side ladder right there, because like I said, that back opens up. Let's go ahead and put a jump box to it and power it up and make sure everything works. So since we checked this one out prior, I'm feeling pretty confident that it should be pretty good. I mean, that's why we did our legwork, you know, checking them out before we buy them. Overall smells great. Nice. Right away, you got your bathroom and kitchen, living room area, little table. Let's go and turn the lights on. So it's kind of hidden, the control panel for this guy. Big old speaker. It's actually inside. Check that out. So you get a fuel gauge for all your toys. Let's see if we can turn the lights on. No lights? Maybe a light switch over here somewhere? I'm not sure. Let's figure this out. My battery wasn't hooked up right, but now my battery is on. So ceiling light, rear light, water pump. Heard it turn on. I don't know if I have any propane gas tanks on there, but this is all looking pretty good. Fresh, no water, so we'll turn the water pump off. Black is full. That's gross. Gray. Bed lift. Oh yeah, look at that. Pretty sweet. So if you want to put your toys in there, you can actually lift this all the way up. But you also have a big bunk bed right there. That thing's like a big old king bed, I would say. It comes down and these become beds. So you have like a double bunk here. You could put like 4 little kids that way, 5 little kids that way. Oh yeah, it's awesome. And then that right there is actually a back patio that you could set up and hang out. I've actually seen people go like on an edge and a cliff or something, put that wall back down, and they're basically an outdoor cliff hangout. It's pretty cool. Why not? I would say beautiful camper. Also, this one has a destruction title. So they said this is parts only, you know, this is garbage, never to be on the road again. It's like, it's crazy, guys. I don't understand why insurance companies do that. Just to get a payout or something, or why in the world? And there's no way to get it rescanned or titled. But hey, everything seems to be working just fine. Got some stuff in there. No problem at all. I didn't see a generator, but it might be like hooked up for a generator kind of thing. So if you have, hookups for it, boom, you're good to go. But I did not see one outside. But let's go ahead and do the slide out. And that's our bedroom right there, so that's pretty good. Nice, working beautifully. Skylight. Not bad space, I'd say, for a bathroom. Check out those little fans, we'll see that later too. But hey, just want to point out, you can still get a good deal just because it's a salvage title, destruction title. It does not mean it's just junk. There's a lot of junk out there, you have to be careful. But there's a lot of good deals out there too. So I do your shopping around and find something good. All right, just like that. Mattress comes down, turn the lights on, and there's your bedroom. Got yourself a door, some privacy. Beautiful. Pretty cool. So that's a little controller for the fan. Sweet. That's like remote controlled, I guess, because that comes off. You could just control the speeds, control the temperature, rain sensors up and down. Pretty sweet. Well, that's cool. Definitely nice to have. And that's just another door to the master bedroom. Beautiful camper, guys. I still think it's got a lot of life left in it. To say that this is garbage is pretty ridiculous. I don't know who gets, like I said, makes that call. Insurance companies, whatever they feel like. But everything seems to be working, all the switches. I'm not even plugged into the 30 amp. This is just the jump box, and everything seems to be working nicely. Look at that refrigerator, beautiful. All right. If you're looking for a camper, there's definitely good deals out there. I love this interior. So inside the camper is awesome. Everything seems like it's functioning properly, no water damage, and the outside also looks good. Let's check underneath to see what's going on. Look at that, I got a spare tire. Looking really clean. A little bit of rust, but I mean, that's normal stuff underneath. You're just gonna have a little bit of corrosion, but nothing crazy at all. Wow, guys, I think we got two great deals. Like I said, I don't have the space right here to open it up, but big old garage door, LED lights. We got an awning inside, really modern lights. Beautiful. So much great hardware and parts. Still very nice. Wow, guys, so other than the title, this camper has really no issues. It's just because of that COD, certificate of destruction. You can't really pull on the road, you can't really tag it. And depending on what state you are, some states do recognize that, and for trailers, you could basically just get a title with a bill of sale. So it really just depends where you live. But man, it's so sad because South Carolina, it's a little tricky, I guess. In Florida, you can't do it, but other states, there's no problem. So just depending, like I said, where you live, but man, it's beautiful. I would say we definitely put this to the test. You know, hauling it for 600 miles from Florida to South Carolina, flawlessly, no issues there. And then basically testing all the inside electrical parts, also doing good. From the bottom to the top and the inside and out. Great camper. Like I said, we are gonna post these at NicoBrothers.com. Go ahead and check it out. All right, back in the office. Man, so many campers. And honestly, it's the season, so we're just gonna ride the wave while we can, get some good deals on some campers. We're still buying some, we're probably gonna buy some more, and we're selling them. A lot of people that we're selling to, they're just gonna park it at their land and use it as a little house, basically, while they're building, or a lake house or something like that. So I think it's perfect. We're fulfilling a need that's out there for a great deal. We're happy, they're happy. I think it's a win-win for everybody, but you do have to be careful when you're buying these. So we are still gonna do our research, probably go down there again, check them out, you know, try to find some good ones, and hopefully get it for a good deal, because a lot of people are bidding them up, so you can't win them all. But hey, you can't get them all anyway, not a big deal, but just check out how many more are still going. I mean, check out this Keystone right here, 2016, it's coming. There's over 300, 400 campers. Man, this one definitely looks rough. It's been in it. You can tell by the pictures, but that could just be surface, that could be just from the outside, or it could be in the inside too. Dang, this one looks rough for sure. Certificate of destruction. Yeah, that one's probably a pass. But hey, that's why you gotta shop around, you gotta look around and try to find the right one. And you got golf carts, you got all sorts of vehicles. Some pretty cool one. Interesting. Airstream. Wow, that's definitely interesting. That'd be kind of cool. Still worth money, so small, but so many different types and shapes and sizes for sure. And we're just gonna keep looking, try to find something, you know, that's worth picking up. Looking nice. And reading some of your comments, you guys are saying we should check out the Airstream. They just go for so much because they're just so expensive, even though they still have a destruction title. I mean, this is already at 28 grand and it's still probably gonna go for a lot more, but hey, we might as well check them out too. It's a very low water line, future sale, 3 days it plays. Who knows, maybe we'll pick something up like that. But the search continues, and we're gonna keep going, we're gonna keep searching, and hopefully pick something up. Wow, there's some damaged ones, wrecked. A lot of trash out there and a lot of treasure, so it just depends what you get. But that's all the time we have for this episode. Stay tuned, guys, because we are gonna get some more campers, hopefully find some good deals. Hopefully stay blessed. I mean, sometimes we don't get as lucky and you have to, you know, do some work. That happens, you know, that's part of the game. You know, we have to do engine swaps before, so for campers I don't think there's any engine swaps, but there's sometimes we have to swap out parts, you know, because they are salvaged out, so some of them do actually get damaged pretty bad. But thanks so much for watching. Leave some comments down below. Catch you next time.